Today is May 27th, 2022. It is a Friday, and today I was trying to basically answer the question of how to automatically have my renders go to a certain folder after. And so I was just exploring over here in output properties, and I got over here to output, and then I just, I wanted to see where my outputs were going to. And so because I've never heard of this TMP, and so I went to my files and copied the path over here, and then it brings me to this, which is insane because it's literally it's like a video. We just have to put the things together. Like, it's like every step, it's like every frame, it's like 75 frames of my mesh. And I think this was from day, let's see, because this is actually crazy, actually, because I remember being so frustrated that it wouldn't load, but I think it ended up loading that day, and I think that's insane. Hold on, I think I just saw it. That's crazy. Like, that's amazing, the fact that it actually did do something. Was it this day 34? Does it look like day 34? Yeah, it does look like day 34. Like, let me see, what did I try to do? Oh yes, I tried doing an animation and it wouldn't work out. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, so it did work out. So now that reminds me of a video that I was watching over here, where this guy's amazing, Eber Villalda. So he was just showing how to do a video in 360, and I tried it, I don't know what day I tried it on, but I was having a hard time downloading the images, but apparently I did it on day, what was it? Let me scroll up. Day 34, apparently. I don't know how I did, I don't know. But that happened, and yeah, so now I skipped that part, and I'm up to the part of where he actually brings all the images to the video editor. So we'll watch that.
Le damos play, podemos notar que fotogramas. Así que ahora le damos en Add, vamos acá en Imagen Secuencia.
Alright, and so he goes, what did he say, add a sequence?
Fotogramas. Así que ahora le damos en Add, vamos acá en Imagen Secuencia.
Image source. Okay, so what is this? Okay, let me save this and get out. Let me open a new one. And while I'm at it, let me figure out what day today is. Today's not day 34. Today is day... One second. Today is day 100. Oh. I'm confused. Oh, yeah, today's day 108. Yeah, I just forgot to put the background for yesterday. Okay. Okay, so general. Go here to the plus. Go here to video editing. Video editing. Said add image sequence. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna paste in the path actually, and I'll just select these until it's over. I'll do shift and then select. Oops, no. Oh, I could just use start. Can I do that? Start frame. End frame 75. What does it end at? 75. Why does it do that? Okay, there we go. Actually, maybe I should have started from the top. Okay, let me go all the way to the top and then start from here. See, you can even see like the video, and then I don't know what I have, like what those boxes are. So at that point, let me see what he does. Where's the video?
La secuencia, seleccionamos el 001, pegamos esto hacia el final y con shift presionado seleccionamos el número 400 y le damos en Add Imagen Strip.
Alright. Oh my god. Yay! Isn't that so beautiful? Wow, what a blessing.
Y ahora podemos notar cómo toda la animación de nuestra secuencia está introducida en el timeline. Si le damos play, podemos notar que toda la secuencia se ha introducido de manera correcta, tiene la velocidad que le establecimos y pues realmente se ve bastante bien. Y ahora para exportar el video de nuestra secuencia nos iremos acá a Output y acá pues obviamente elegiremos la carpeta de destino donde queremos que esté nuestro video. En este caso aquí en File Format, si vamos a elegir FFmpeg Video, acá en Encoding desplegamos esto.
So we go to FMPG.
Y acá en Container vamos a elegir que sea MP4.
Encoding, container, MP4. So MP4. Okay. Oops, I think I just opened Figma by accident.
Y acá en la calidad podemos poner la calidad que nosotros queramos. Acá le voy a dar High Quality.
Okay.
Y ahora sí podemos irnos a Render y le damos en Render Anime.
Interesting. Get me out of there. High quality. Wow, this is amazing. Right, so this makes sense, right? It makes sense, everything I'm doing. So I have the output, certain folder that I want it to be at. So I'll actually keep it a TMP for, actually no, because I organize my files now. So let me go to desktop, Blender, videos. So I'll keep that there. And then it should be that type of format, and then a container. Interesting. What's the difference between format and container? Okay. And then render. Actually, let me do Control S and save this as what's today's date? 5/27/22. Save the Blender file and then render animation. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Alright. Does it keep on going? Whoops. Should I have set to render to a certain point? Yeah. We're going to stop. Can we stop? Jesus. Okay, just render up until the endpoint over here. So that is what? What even is that? What? What's 3 plus 0, 3? 303? I'm so confused. 303. No, that doesn't make sense because it's set at 250, so can someone tell me? Can I just have... How do I get the... No... Oh, yeah, marker, add marker. F75, I'm literally so confused. Add, clip, marker, duplicate, delete, select, frame selected. What did I do? Okay, do I just do 3 plus 03? Like, I'm so confused. How do I make it so that it's delete marker? I'm genuinely so confused. I'm really like confused right now because what is going on? Time, start, duration. Are these in minutes? Like, what? It's 20 seconds, is it not? 75? Right, and then 3 minutes and 4 seconds. What? No, I'm confused. current frame is 302. Yeah, I need it to end at 302. So end. Yeah, I need it to end at 302. So let's end it at 74. And if I ended at 75, so then why is it like that on the render? Wait, what even happened? Okay, render animation. Why does it keep going? I'm literally telling it to render from a certain point. Like, what are you doing? Can we end at 75? Because that's where I want it to end at. So let me render animation. Oh, so that's where I put it in. Okay. So image, save as. What is this? How do you save this? Okay, let me watch the video. Because I don't understand why it's saved as an image. Shouldn't it be a video? Oh, I'm so dumb. I told it to save in it. Jesus Christ, why am I like this? Let me go to Blender. Let me go to videos, and it should be in here. Ah, would you look at that? Interesting. So this is the one I just did, which ends at 75. Okay, and this is the one I did, which has the 250 frames. But I changed that by going to layout. Why is it not playing? So it plays the video, and then it keeps going for 250 frames. So I'll delete that. So the reason, how did I fix this again? So I went to layout, and I just ended it here because I knew how to do it here, but I thought that we had to do it in the video editor somewhere here. But I guess not. You could just say, you know, end at 75 frames if you know how many frames your picture are, which is usually the number of pictures that you have. So I guess we did what we did. That was great. Look at things from the past helping us now. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so Control S, and then let me get out of here. And yeah,